guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, a very short video about MaxiCOM MK808 guys and what I like the most about that tool. First of all, very affordable tool guys, and you can work on any car you can think of pretty much. We'll have more electrical videos diagnosing with that tool on our new channel, so please give it a like guys and subscribe, it will mean a lot to us. So that's what it comes with, but what shocked me guys, when I received it a few months ago, I updated it. And the cool thing about it is you get 1 year of free updates. However now, guys, you can see I updated it not too long ago, and today I decided before I put it up to see if we have any more updates and check out just for a few months how many updates they released. Okay, for pretty much any make and model. They constantly keep adding things. Okay, the one that really interested me right now is the BMW part, because we've been working on BMW and Mercedes lately quite a bit, so it's quite a bit of an update. 1700 megabytes. You can see they add the TPMS, immobilizer and keys, exhaust braking, so just check it out, it's unbelievable. And you know, we have the Autel, the professional diagnostic tool with a programming device, but the updates are a little bit expensive per year. And instead of getting updates for 1 year, I could buy 2 of those. So I decided, okay, to get one of those and give it a try. And so far I've been using it on the BMW and the Mercedes, the Fiesta. It's been working really good. And you get 1 year free updates, and after that, okay, they're very inexpensive. So I'll definitely guys recommend it. I just wanted to share with you how often they release updates and how they add functions all the time. Okay, you can click on the information here and you can read about the specific updates for my packs, DPF, service bands. You can see more Dpf functions. Okay, I want to see right here for the BMW. Okay, let's find it quick where it went. Jaguar, Maserati, you can see Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, so many things. Okay, right here is the BMW now, and you can see they added for the BMW 4 Mini, and it's for vehicles up to March 2017 now. So they constantly keep adding more. So quick video guys, hopefully it will be helpful to you guys if you're considering buying this one. We have the link in the description of the video, so thank you for watching, see you guys next time.